What is up, YouTube? It's Patrick Cleary from Patrick Cleary What's in the Box. So recently, my brother has done a prank on me. And I know I'm talking fast, I just want to get to this video. My brother did a prank on me where I was on the stairs, and it looked very weird. Well, I was playing my phone, and which made it pretty weird. But it looked like I was just laying there randomly on the stairs, which I wasn't. So, with that being said, let's get right into the video. I'm home alone. I've heard some weird noises. That's just my chalkboard wall. And my countdown for my new movie, The Secret Room, coming out October 19th. Check it down below in my YouTube channel and anywhere you can find it. Trailer 1 and 2, and warning, it's cringy. So, I'm home alone, and I've heard weird noises downstairs, so I'm going to go check that out right now. Make sure to subscribe, hit notifications, and smash that like button. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so I'm home alone. This is pretty creepy. I hope nothing's behind me. That just looked like a person. Replay. Didn't that look like a person? That thing over there. Okay, so I'm gonna go right. Fortnite Battle Royale! Did I pop scare you? Say down below if I pop scared you. Just checking in the pantry. Make sure no one's in there. I'm just kidding. Doggy's asleep. Looks like he's dead right now. He's actually, this is just where he sleeps. Okay. Bye, guys. See you later on Patrick Cleary What's in the Box. Seemingly nothing was down here. Forgot to stop the video. Did I pop scary? Say so down below.